Guys, it's me. Sorry, but my name is Lily now. Oh my god, it's raining. That's why it's so dark. I'm gonna go turn the light on. That's better. But yeah, oh my god, it's raining like crazy. Do you hear it? Do you hear it? Oh my god, I'm so scared. What should I do, guys? I can't handle this! Why am I even making a video? I was going to, but it started raining. Oh yeah. But guess what, guys? I'm gonna get some more LPS toys next week, Friday. Yay! I'm scared. Oh my god, I'm so scared. What are they gonna do? It's gonna hurt me. Is it gonna come out? Is the thing gonna shoot on us the house? Or are they gonna shoot on my apartment? Oh my god, I'm scared. I can't. Oh, sorry guys, I was on the camera. I was so scared. I'm scared. Oh, I'm upside down. I'm upside down. Okay. I was upside down. Okay, so far 1 minute. My god, this all. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm scared. My sister said to keep away from her window, so let's keep away from the window. Come on. No, my real face. So there. Okay, this is as far as I can go for now. What I'm gonna do. I came with my sister and my brother. I think so. Are here with me. At least I'm not home alone. I get it? Home Alone? A movie? Yeah, I haven't watched it, so yeah. It's just a joke. Imagine if I was, and it wasn't a joke. My god, I would be so scared. Oh my dog! Oof. I said, oh my god, not oh my dog. There's some people in the videos. I really want some Milky Test toys. Guess what? I'm on this app called Wish. I pressed LPS. And it was, and then until I found it. My god, I couldn't handle it. I couldn't handle it. I couldn't. So I guess I'll show you my LPS toy that I really want. I really want it. And the app is called Wish. Like you wish for something. Now where is it? Yep, from Wish. So while I'm looking for the toy, I'm getting near it. Download Wish, please. I found it. Cut up. Load it. Come on, load. No service? What? Okay, I guess I'll just show it like this instead. Okay, wait. Okay, top up. Look at this cutie. Look at it. So cute. It's so cute. Do you see this? This cute thing. It's my favorite. I'm gonna get it. I gotta. for just for $5. $5 on Wish. Wish, yeah, it says 4, but estimated shipping is plus $1. 5. Let me see for more LPS. Oh my god. Hey, look. I saw somebody with this on the video. This kind. Oh. Continue. I don't want. No. No, remove from my cart. Yes. I'm not adding that to cart. Come on, I already ordered something. Look. Look at this LPS toy. Okay, and I know I can barely see these pictures. I know you can barely see these pictures I'm showing you. But look. See this? Nobody has bought this toy. $7. Nobody's bought this? Or this toy. LPS toy. Nobody has bought it. Nobody has bought this. Oh my god.
Oh, shucks.
What? That's kind of cute. Look at my twin. Twins. Okay, I had it. Twins. It's so cute, right? Does she show mine? Did you show me? Sorry, related. Did you show me there? No, it doesn't. It doesn't. Oh, look at the cute teddy bear.
What? They're all back.
I'm obsessed with that. Okay, no, I can't find it there. There. Well, that's it, guys. This video. Lots of blank spaces, just you looking at the roof and stuff. So yeah, click subscribe. Subscribe. Thank you. Press if you do subscribe. Guess I'll be seeing you. Bye.